Keto Creme Brule. I'm going to show you how to make this. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. And definitely check out the description of this video. You'll see all the ingredients I use to make this amazing recipe, along with the directions and also the macros. This video was suggested by my honey. Alright, so let me show you how to make this right now. Alright, we're going to start off with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of Lakanto powdered monk fruit sweetener, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 egg yolks, a dash of salt, 10 drops of liquid stevia, and we're going to combine these into a large mixing bowl. Alright, let's mix it until it's evenly combined. Now we're going to transfer this mixture into 2 bowls evenly. We've got our bowls here, placed on top of a baking tin. Let's pour the mixture in both bowls. Now we're going to take some boiling water and put it in the pan. Alright, so the pan is filled up with about 1/8 of an inch of water. And now we're going to place it into the oven for approximately 40 minutes at 350 degrees. And there you have it, creme brulee. We're just going to add some granulated erythritol to the top and brown it on top. Alright, with a hot spoon, just place it on top of the creme brulee and let it cook. Alright, now for a taste test. Keto creme brulee, look at that, it looks amazing. Look at that keto creme brulee. You can hear the crunch. Nice. Now for a taste test. This is really good. It tastes just like an elegant creme brulee without the carbs, without the sugar. This is amazing. And the crispy top really ties everything together. Absolutely delicious. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. MatTroise signing out.